Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Bounty Hunted. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. My inspiration for this shot was an animated short from the Forces of Destiny series, also called Bounty Hunted. I'll leave a link for that in the description. The figures I used for this shot were Leia and Boushh, as well as Chewbacca, R2-D2, and Maz Kanata, all from the Black series. The background I used for this shot was this very large printer tray that I've been wanting to use for quite some time. I thought it made a cool looking wall for an industrial area. I also cut up an Ikea shopping bag to use as these tarps. To give the shot some depth, I placed a bunch of junk in the foreground. I used a wide open aperture with this shot to give it a shallow depth of field, making both the foreground and background a little blurry. This barrel in the middle was my focus point. With the scene set, it was time to pose and place my figures. Since my Boushh figure is actually Leia disguised as Boushh, I also used the barrel to obscure the figure's face. With everyone in place, it was time to shoot. Here's my starting image. After a little color correction, the biggest edit I had to make to this image was editing out all the articulation joints on the figures. There were quite a few, but luckily I really enjoyed doing this. After a few other small touch-ups and adding some details to the helmet's readout, I was done. So once again, here's my starting image. And this is where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button and checking me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.